Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about part 4 of when and how to get started with the Super Affiliate Network. In the first 3 videos, we talked about, the boot camp, getting signed up. Today, we're going to talk about more additional information that you do need to know when you first sign up. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get notified when I do videos just like this. Like, comment, and subscribe because we're going to have a lot of fun today. Now, you know what time it is and you know who this is. This is Adam Shelton and this is part 4 of how to get started with the Super Affiliate Network. Now, the Super Affiliate Network, it is a high-ticket organization, digital marketing platform that can build your own online business. Actually, it teaches you to build your own online business with its strategies, its marketing system, and a great community to go ahead and crush it in any time in your business. Now, it is very, very good company. I'm telling you this. I'm just not saying it to promote it. I've seen results from people doing it. And the biggest thing, the results I've seen is the education. The education to build your own business, to be able to have the opportunity to make money online. Now, the first thing you want to do is log in. And one of the first problems I've always seen in the online business space is there's a lot of companies out there and there's some successful companies. But one of the biggest problems I went through is that it was not easy to understand. If you're not tech savvy, and I'm actually not bad tech savvy. I'll admit to you that I'm actually okay, in terms of the tech part. But there's some programs out there that, man, you got to be really good tech savvy just to log in. When you log in, everything is all over the place and it's not easy to understand. That's a problem. I've got a solution to your problem. If that's your problem, I know it may be your problem. The Super Affiliate Network is one of the most easiest places to do when you're a beginner. It's one of the best companies for beginners because it's easy to understand. Look right at the screen here. It says log in, pretty much. You'll be issued a username and a password when you go ahead and log in. And right below this video, I do have my #1 recommendation when you start your online business. I have a link right underneath there. You click there and you go ahead and sign up for the Super Affiliate Network. Now, when you start signed up and everything's going okay, you'll go ahead and log into the system. You'll be issued a username and a password, and you just go ahead and log in. That's it. And I really love about the Super Affiliate Network, when you first log into the system, first of all, you'll be issued an advisor to walk you through every single step that you need to, from the beginning towards the end. That's what I really, really like about it, because it's easy to understand. Now, this is the actually dashboard when you first log in to the Super Affiliate Network. It basically has information there. You have your photo here that you can get from here. Actually, you get that from your settings here. That's what you'll get, your profile photo. But this is just a dashboard when you first log in. You see the new members in, and actually, you know what? Hold on. This is what you do your photo right here. So you go in your settings right here, and you add your name, and then you have this is what you put your little profile there, and this is what you add your picture right there. So let me go back to the dashboard when we were talking about before. So that's what you go ahead and add your photo. You can change your name, change your email address as well, your Facebook URL, basic information about you and your business. Now, what I like about it is really easy to understand. So the other videos, we talked about the start here, and you go ahead and advise. You'll go ahead and basically assign your advisor, go ahead and set up a session with them. Today, we're going to talk about what these things mean. All these tabs here, we're going to talk about them really, very detailed. That way you understand what's going on. So this is just an overview. New welcomes coming in. Here's some of the VIP list today that's done very, very well. You've got Justin, Dirk, and Miro, and Keisha Bash. All got good sales today. And these are all the new members that's coming in. Now here it shows you my earnings today. So I made 2 sales today so far, and then here's my total earnings right there. So right here is like the stats. I'm just going to go to the statistics right now. This basically just kind of breaks down, all of your business in terms of your leads and sales. So this kind of breaks down. This is 2 sales you made today. This is how many leads you had today. These are how many visits you have. Basically clicks. Visits means clicks. This is the percentage, and this is the percentage of sales. So today I made 2 sales so far today. We've got 100 leads in my business, and this is just the total clicks there. That's what that means. And this is just a graph, basically explaining a little bit what I was talking about. Here's your one cell there, and here's your one cell there. And this is a time, it's military time. So it's kind of like right down here, your sales. And you can always go back like yesterday. Let's go to yesterday. Let me just go to yesterday real quick. I can show you how it looks like yesterday. So yesterday, the same way, if you want to just go ahead and organize your business. I'm just showing you a little bit of stuff when you get signed up and basically when you start to get leads and sales in your business. This is a kind of overview of kind of what it looks like and things you can stay tuned. You can always ask your advisor. You can always ask your sponsor as well. If any information that you're not sure on, you can always ask them, and you can always ask the Facebook community. Your advisor will go ahead and give you that information. Now, this is stuff from yesterday. Just kind of show you, I made 13 sales yesterday, 500 leads, and you see 1,200 visits, 42% of lead conversion rate and sales conversion rate. That's just a little information about that. Now, the referrals is basically your sales that you accumulated over time. So your sales is pretty much there. So it shows your name. I'm just going to go through this real fast. It just got your name and I'm back here. I'm just going to go through that real quick. Your payout and your links. Your payout is basically money that you earn over the time. Your links is pretty much what you'll be basically promoting. So your links is right here. You go right here. Let's say we're going to promote one of the links in Super Affiliate Network, one of the capture pages that you'll learn in the boot camp. So don't touch any of this stuff until you're done with the boot camp now. I'm just showing you this is part 4. When you're done with the boot camp, you've done with all the mindset training, you've done with all those type of things, and then you're ready to get started. This is where you'll go. You take this capture page here. This is the link here. These last 5 digits, that is your ID number. That's being attached to any of your links. That way you get credit for when you go ahead and get leads and sales in your business. Now, this is what you'll take here. You'll take this here. I'm going to make an example. You'll take that here, and very important is you want to go ahead and campaign name. Let's say you want to rename this, let's just say July 30th, and let's just say Ace and Rich, something like that. So you can actually campaign names. You can actually name it whatever you prefer. That way it'll go ahead and you can kind of pretty much track it. So this is a little bit more next level, but I'm just trying to show you a couple of overview of that. You can actually name your campaign whenever you're trying to promote any of these capture pages or sales pages that's here. So that's just a short overview over that. My refer is basically your sponsor, whoever sponsored you in, whoever basically brought you in, you're gonna have the information there. So mine is Keisha Bash. She is my sponsor and my mentor as well. And then you go to the My Customers, is basically, once again, all your sales, but it has a little bit more information about them. It has the name and email. Some of them have the pictures on there. So that's pretty much what that is. Little view there. Your My Leads is pretty much what it says. All your leads that you got into your business for the day, or even for the pretty much throughout the week, throughout the month. So it basically show information about that. So here's your leads there. Here's all your leads. Information there. I'm just showing you a little view. And there's the leaderboard. Now the leaderboard is basically has all the leads, like the most leads, the monthly leads, the daily sales, the daily leads, the monthly leads. So it has all those accumulated throughout over time. So the leaderboard is pretty much the leaders that's pretty much getting most sales, getting the most leads throughout the day or the month. So Super Affiliate Network keeps track of who's doing what in terms of you top this, you top that. So I'm going to show you that real quick as it loads up there. So leaderboard kind of basically just keep you informed of what's going on, who's doing the most leads, who's doing less sales. So we'll do overview, and I also have the all-time leads and sales as well. These are all times and leads over here to your left. You guys has been crushing it, getting a lot of leads. And this is the monthly leads you see here. Actually, you see my name right here, the daily leads and the monthly leads here. See, those are names there, and these are total sales generated. These are all-time sales leaders over here, and these are the monthly leads. Monthly sales, and this is the daily sales as well. Just a little quick overview. And the settings is kind of where we were before. The settings is where you can change your name, You can add a picture in there. You also can change your email, turn your payment email. You also can add your Facebook URL, which I highly recommend that you do that. And you can save your changes. So that's pretty much an overview of pretty much all the tabs up here I wanted to go over. So that's all in a nutshell of part 4 of how to get started with the Super Affiliate Network. I hope you had a good time over these sessions. Go ahead and crush it. And don't forget, guys, if you need to go back over the bootcamp, contact your advisor for any information that you're not sure with. You can always contact your sponsor. So when you sign up with me, you can contact me as well. Click on that link below. There'll be a name that says my #1 recommendation to start your online business. There's a link right underneath there. You click on there to get started. I can't wait, and we do have a special going on right now. It's $1 for the entire training, so you get all 16 modules for $1. You can go through the whole system for $1. You get educated and you're beginning to start your own online business. It is a great deal. It's a good time. It's always a good time. It is your time to start your online business. It really is. Go ahead and click on the link below. I can't wait till you get started, and I hope you have a good day. And I can't wait to see you on the next video, and I can't wait to see you join the Super Affiliate Network. Have a good day.